Hello, and welcome to Weekend Braid Anonymous Group.
Now, Jesse, how about you? You've been coming for a while and you've never shared with the group.
Hi, everybody.
My name is Jessica.
And I cannot braid.
Me.
Thank you so much.
But I can.
Flat.
You really want it.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Jessica and I create lifestyle content, which includes vlogs and hair tutorials and much more. So for this style, this is the style of the summer. I've been seeing it all over my TikTok page and we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Let's get into it. So the first thing I did was part my hair from ear to ear. Now this part in the back, the part in the middle doesn't need to be straight, doesn't need to be neat. That part in that back from ear to ear, make sure that's straight. So the next thing you want to do is figure out what design you want to do in the front of your head. It can be straight back, to the side, however you want to do it. I chose the design that I saw on a picture. Make sure when you're doing your parts, they are straight because just like that little piece right there,
I can fix that.
have no fear, it will be dealt with. But yeah, so the first thing I want to do is do a simple part and then I'm going to grab some edge control a little later on. Oh, there it goes. Some instant control, one of my favorite edge controls. Place it on the part, and that is going to be able to give you a sleek part. I didn't have a rat tail comb, a metal rat tail comb, so I had to use the little plastic one. I highly recommend using a metal rat tail comb. So then I'm going to start parting for the twist, and I'm going to put the edge control on every piece of scalp I see is going to have edge control. So then you're going to put the edge control on both sides of the parted section, and then clip the other section out the way. Make sure your hair is detangled. Now, let's get to it. So this is when we start our flat twisting. So this little section, little ugly section, I don't even know why I include that in the video. That didn't help much because it was like 2 seconds of flat twisting. But this next section, for your flat twist, all you're going to do is take a small piece in the front as if you're going to start a braid, but we're not braiding, I promise. My braids look like dookie braids on day one. All you're going to do is take it and roll it in on top of your scalp or roll it on top of the hair. So all you're doing is roll it on top of each other and grabbing pieces behind it. Small pieces, don't grab it all at once. Grab small pieces. So you're just rolling it, and you can practice. I recommend practicing. And what's going to make it neat is ensuring that the part is straight and that both sides have enough edge control so there's no flyaways. And so that's pretty much it. I promise. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So just remember, roll and grab, roll and grab, roll and grab, rolling, rolling, rolling and grabbing. That's all you're doing, okay? This, I promise, this section is super easy. Don't overthink it. And then we're just gonna rubber band it. Make sure y'all get some good quality rubber bands because these popped in my sleep on day one. All right, enough with the yapping. Let's go ahead and turn up.
Till we see the sign. 3-5 in a blind.
Yeah, we stay litty. Fuck where you from, you ain't fucking with my city. Put that shit on, we rockin' J's with true religions. Got a rubber set, you banging blood rolling 60. Pass the reposado. If he looking your way, then he is not my home. Off the gun, I go crazy, till I'm psycho. Call the DUI, but it's okay, I got Geico. I drive the boat, these bitches follow. Fucked around and test my ex, oops, it was a typo. Shake, 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 booty shake like a maraca. You ain't throwing ass, what the fuck you always
I got hands for a hoe, I get bands for a show. You want chance after chance after chance, nigga, no. I keep saying free up folk, do my dance on them folks. If it's up, it's going.
Okay, so now you're gonna grab the rubber banded hair and put it all together into a ponytail holder to get it out of the way.
As soon as I land on them folks.
Then you want to part a section, a teeny tiny section from ear to ear. The parting that I did was way too big. Just remember, the more that you leave out, the more you would have to blend. So you guys see that big bun? That's kind of a lot of hair to blend. So just keep in mind, like I said, the more you leave out, the more you blend. So in honor of this being a no braid tutorial, we're taking the back and we're simply putting it in a low, teeny tiny bun. So we're not braiding the hair. Because it's curly hair, it don't matter. You're not going to see it. You're good, I promise. So the hair that I use, I honestly don't even know the name of it. I know it's by Outre. I know it's a half wig. It has a drawstring, all pluses, but honestly, I don't know what the name of it is. If I'm going to keep it a buck, I honestly recommend getting a human hair half wig. Majority of the synthetic wigs in the beauty supply stores have really big curls, and the ones that have the smaller curls, the quality of the wig is trash. So to find a happy medium, honestly, I would just probably get a human hair half wig. So then I'm using the Extreme gel and some instant edge control to start defining my curls so that I can easily blend it with this hair. Again, my hair is different from the texture of the half wig, and so later on you'll see me twisting the hair or intertwining the hair with the half wig to kind of better blend it.
Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. My mind, I'll pack my bag and don't say shit. I got what it takes to say this. I got all the plays and I played it out like this.
I'm the one that if it ain't your touch, but every time we chill, we gonna bring on.
Oh, my bad, bitch. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. Yeah, he fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like, okay. I used to.
So I did go ahead and cut the hair, and I think after I cut it, it looked like 10 times better.
Bad as I wanna be. She ain't bad, she a sad little wannabe.
I threw on some holding spray, and then I took my strips. Man, they need to sponsor me. These strips are used in every tutorial. Anyways, I took a black scarf and placed it over my strips and just tied it and left the hair tie on for about 10 minutes just so I can set it in place. And then I took it off, and then this is the beginning of the blending process. So you'll just watch me. Like I said, I'm twisting and intertwining the hair. I put some volume in it. And I just tried to ensure that this hairstyle, everything looked cohesive. And so I really love the final result, and I hope you guys did too. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.